Good day to you all. My name is Testy. As you all know, this is your regular tutor. Testy to bar. That is tutor Testy is my name. Testy is my name. So I'm here once again to give you lovely knowledge concerning machine, not a machine. So we have calculations here. A machine lifts a load of 500 Newton using an effort of 100 Newton. The velocity ratio of that machine is 6 rather. We have to calculate the mechanical advantage and efficiency. Before our calculation, let me explain mechanical advantage and efficiency. So what is mechanical advantage of a machine? This is the ratio of the load to effort. Exactly, that is MA equal to load over effort. Now, load is regarded as the output, while effort is the input. Is that clear? So mechanical advantage does not have units. It has no units. That is, load is measured in Newton and effort as well in Newton. Okay, do you understand? You grab right? Okay, let's go to efficiency. Oh my God. What is an efficiency of a machine? This is a percentage rate at which a machine works efficiently. Once again, an efficiency of a machine is a percentage rate at which a machine works efficiently. And also it can be regarded as a ratio of mechanical advantage to velocity ratio times what? Times 100%. And as well, we can see that mechanical advantage is the work output over work input times 100% as well. Is that clear? And it is measured in percentage. It is measured in percentage. Is that clear? So this is a question here now. A machine lifts a load of 500 Newton using an effort of 100 Newton. The velocity ratio is 6. We are to calculate. Number one, we have to calculate the what? Mechanical advantage. Now, our mechanical advantage, we have MA equal to load over effort. Is that clear? So where's our load? Our load is what? Is 500 and our effort is what? 100. So 500 divided by 100, 500 divided by 100, we have mechanical advantage equal to 5. So that is our final answer for mechanical advantage. So now don't forget, mechanical advantage is equal to load over effort. So our load is 500 Newton and our effort is what? 100 Newton. Is that clear? So mechanical advantage equal to 5. Okay, now let's go for efficiency. Don't forget, efficiency is the ratio of mechanical advantage to velocity ratio times what? Times 100. Now, don't forget, our MA, which is mechanical advantage, is what? Is 5 already. So, and our velocity ratio equal to 6 respectively. 6. So, now let's go. Our efficiency equal to mechanical advantage over velocity ratio times 100%. So that is the formula for efficiency. That is, we're going to use this formula here. Is that clear? So that is the relationship between the efficiency, mechanical advantage, and velocity ratio this time around. So now do not forget, our mechanical advantage is what? Is 5. Okay, is 5 already. So that is 5 over 6 times 100%. Is that clear? So 5 times 100 will give us what? 500. Okay, so that will be 500 divided by 6. So that is 500 divided by 6. What is it going to give us? So it's going to give us 83.33. So our efficiency equal to 83.3%. So that is our efficiency. So do you understand now? Do not forget, we've gotten our mechanical advantage already, which is load over effort. Our load is 500 and our effort is what? 100. So 500 divided by 100 will give us what? 5 without units, because load is measured in what? Newton, and effort is measured in Newton. So we have to calculate our efficiency again, equal to mechanical advantage over velocity ratio times 100%. So Don't forget our mechanical advantage is 5. Velocity ratio is what? 6. 5 over 6 times 100%. That is 500 over 6 will give us 83.3%. Thanks for watching my video. Please do not hesitate to like this video, share, turn on your notification bell. Is that clear? So if there's any question you want us to solve under this machine, do not hesitate to drop the question in the comment section. We'll be so glad to attend to you. And once again, if there's any topic you don't understand in physics, kindly let us know. We will get everything so clear for you. Is that clear? So I still remain your regular tutor, your lovely tutor, your friend, Tutor Testy.